This is a voltage regulator PWM DC motor speed controller. It also controls LED lights. Now the connection is very simple. You connect your power on the outside pins. That's power positive and power negative all the way at the bottom. And in between you connect your motor. In this case, exactly the same motor. I bought this gadget on AliExpress for 300 Kenya shillings. This is around 200 US dollars or 206 Indian rupees. You can see it's working. They say it's a stepless design. A few specifications of this gadget. The maximum voltage is 16 volts, minimum voltage 5 volts, and continuous current of 10 amperes. I have all the specifications on the side of your screen that you can pause and read. It comes with a knob, a nut, and a washer as well. It's very tiny and absolutely works. And finally, what's the purpose for me trying to control the speed of this motor? Well, this is the motor that I'm going to use on an oil burning stove. I came across this video on Instagram. You can also see it on the side of your video. It burns old engine and transmission fluids to provide heat for cooking and any other thing that you want. A similar motor is used to provide forced air, and to control that, you need a gadget to control the speed of the motor. In the coming weeks, I'll try and weld and make this oil burning cooker. So that's it. My name is Dominic. I hope you learned something new today. Please, if so, subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. Let's meet in another video. Thank you again for watching till the end, and goodbye.